Hello everyone. Every organization eventually faces a data crisis, but the real challenge is how to regain control. Today I'm excited to share the Greenmark case study. We'll explore how we built an autonomous database administrator using no-code AI, effectively turning a high-pressure crisis into a system of total, automated control. Let's dive in. As you can see, we are stuck in what we call the reactive IT trap. Greater than it starts with database locks, leading to a total system halt. To fix it quickly, IT simply restarts the process. The users are happy for an hour, but because the root cause is ignored, the cycle simply repeats. The reality for Greenmark? We have 30 branches running on one server, but 0 specialists to manage it. We aren't managing a system anymore. We are just firefighting. We need to stop restarting and start optimizing. Let me introduce you to the 24/7 Digital DBA. Think of it not just as a monitoring tool, but as an autonomous diagnostic engine that thinks like a senior DBA. It's constantly at work, auto-polling 227 health checks every 5 minutes. As you can see on the screen, when a query gets suspended, even for just a few minutes, the system instantly captures the event and delivers an automated, human-readable root cause analysis. It transforms complex telemetry into clear answers, allowing your team to fix issues before they even become problems. We don't just trigger alarms, we provide answers. On the left, you see the typical noise of raw telemetry. On the right, our AI identifies the why behind the what. By connecting weight statistics directly to architectural recommendations, we turn hours of manual troubleshooting into a single, intelligent insight. Creating a specialized AI DBA shouldn't require weeks of coding. With the Unicorn.bos Agent Studio, we've removed those technical barriers. As you can see here, building a sophisticated agent is now about strategic configuration, not syntax. We focus on 3 core pillars: defining the agent's identity, choosing the cognitive engine, and setting behavioral guardrails. It's a seamless, zero-code process that turns complex AI architecture into a reliable business tool. Next, let's look at how we're forging the digital identity. To make our systems truly manageable, we need to bridge the gap between back-end logic and human operation. First, we define a system name, a strict identifier for the core backend. Then, we provide a display name and a description. This ensures the entire IT team understands exactly what the system does in plain, human language. Finally, we choose an agent icon, like the shield here, to give the system a visual shorthand, signifying protection and defense at a glance. By doing this, we ensure that every system is not just code, but a well-defined asset that's easy to monitor and trust. When building an AI persona, we divide the architecture into 2 distinct parts. On the left, we have the role context, or what we call the name tag. This is a concise identity statement that defines who the agent is. On the right, we have the system instruction, which acts as the quote-quote operational manual. This is where the heavy lifting happens. It contains the detailed rules, formatting requirements, and behavioral guardrails. The key takeaway here is, keep the ID short and let the manual do the work. To power this solution, we needed to select the right cognitive engine. As you can see, we compare 3 tiers of GPT models. While GPT 3.5 and 4.0 Mini offer great speed and efficiency for general tasks, Greenmark's requirements are far more complex. For tasks like analyzing execution plans and weight stats, we prioritize absolute precision over cost savings. That's why we chose GPT 4.0. It provides the deep reasoning and accuracy an enterprise DBA demands. Now let's look at how we ensure absolute precision. Think of this as the brain of our operation. We've dialed the temperature down to 0.1 because, in database administration, we don't need creative writing. We need absolute facts. This eliminates AI hallucinations entirely. We've also balanced the top P at 0.6 to keep the insights tight and relevant, and set a 2,000 token window. This ensures that when you ask for a solution, you get the full picture, from the root cause to the complete SQL fix, without any truncation. It's not just AI, it's AI calibrated for reliability. As you can see, the shell is built and the engine is ready. We have a high-performance warehouse DBA monitor with expert-level SQL knowledge. However, right now it's a quote clean slate. It understands the language of databases perfectly, but it doesn't yet know Greenmark's unique DNA, your specific schemas, and history. It has the brain. Now it's time to give it the context. Now that we've established the foundation, we're moving into the most critical phase. In Episode 2, Knowledge and Brain, we take that empty AI shell and transform it into a seasoned SQL Server expert. By injecting the specific enterprise schema and diagnostic workflows of Greenmark, we ensure the system isn't just smart, it's tailor-made for your infrastructure. It's about moving from general automation to specialized intelligence, and we can't wait to show you the results in our next session. But you don't have to wait for the next update to see the potential. If you're ready to see this technology in action, we invite you to call for a live demo. You can find our office location and all our contact details right here on the screen. Whether it's through line, email, or a quick phone call, our team at Unicorn Tech Integration is ready to discuss how we can stabilize and scale your operations. Let's connect and bring this vision to life. Thank you.